starts to cry on dry, dusty old streets. Rain arrives, its country lifeblood, slow to start. Pray it runs deep, needs to wake this sun-scorched earth. Oh, treat it right, and the soul will grow sunshine and rain. Make it grow, hope to find that rainbow's hidden gold. It grows the mind and heart takes hold. Yeah, treat it right, and you'll come to know. They'll never see damaged roots that hold you down. Deep in dirt of that forgotten town, the soil erodes and memories fade, judged on fields of gold you have made. Oh, treat it right, soul will grow sunshine and rain. Make it grow, hope to find that rainbow's hidden gold. It grows a mind and heart takes hold. Yeah, treat it right, and you'll come to know. Resilience makes you strong, like an old tree stands. New leaves will fall through weary hands. The rain will stop on sun-scorched soil. There's always more that a man can know. Oh, treat it right, and the soul will grow sunshine after the rain. We had to pray, reset, recoup relief and belief to find that rainbow's hidden gold. It grows the mind and heart takes hold. Yeah, treat it right, and you'll come to know. It's resilience, it's reset, it's restart. It's here we go again. Reset, restart. It's here we go again.